House apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent, bagong malilipatang pinapaupahang bahay, welcome po dito sa ating YouTube channel at maraming salamat sa pagbisita at panonood. Another day, another unit na naman ang available. Ito po yung ating na-visit at na-locate na house apartment for rent. Bakante na po ito. Pwede nang malipatan ka agad at kung gustong bisitahin, pwede rin po itong makita anytime. So ito po yung details ng house apartment for rent. Nakatiles na po ang flooring, bagong pintura, very spacious. Ito naman po ang kanyang bathroom. And yes guys, para sa iba pang mga detalye, please tapusin niyo itong video para wala kayong ma-miss na details. So very spacious na kanyang sala, ng kanyang living room. Ito naman ng kanyang kusina, may built-in cabinets na rin. Pwede rin itong makabitan ng aircon, yes pets allowed, yes store, yes pwedeng magtindahan, yes parking, street parking only. Ito po yung house apartment for rent na up and down with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. House apartment for rent, 8,000 pesos monthly located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Up and down with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Good for 4 to 5 person only. Maximum sa 3 pets. Corner lot na unit, pwedeng magtindahan, mataong lugar, main road at palaging nadadaanan. Very accessible and very affordable. House apartment for rent. Malapit sa highway. May malapit na school at market. It's inside subdivision, good community and flood-free location. Ito po yung unit na corner na kulay green na bahay. Ayan po. Up and down. 8,000 pesos monthly. Located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. And yes guys, kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita ng personal, kung gusto nyo, pwede rin kayong magpa-assist sa akin. PM na lang kayo sa aking Facebook or tumawag na lang sa aking contact number. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagbisita dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa tuwing meron akong bagong i-upload na house apartment. Marami pa po tayong units, marami pa po tayong mga house and apartment. I-upload natin yung ibang video, but for this video, eto munang maganda at very affordable, murang pinapaupahang bahay na pwedeng magtindahan. 8,000 pesos monthly located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Stay tuned guys, marami pa akong i-share sa inyo na information about sa mga house and apartment. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po.